The US has reported a record COVID-19 daily cases of over 118,000 for the second consecutive day, pushing the tally past 9.6 million. Globally, the number of deaths has exceeded 1.2 million, with over 48.6 million cases. More in this report.
With over 10 months into the COVID-19, hopes for the pandemic ending anytime soon are becoming dimmer. 17 of the United States have reported record one-day increases in new infections. In addition to the rising coronavirus cases, hospitalizations of COVID-19 patients rose for the 11th consecutive day to over 52,000. About the economic situation in the country, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell believes it will need further stimulus to survive.
Since the beginning of the pandemic, we have taken forceful actions to provide relief and stability, to ensure that the recovery will be as strong as possible, and to limit lasting damage to the economy. Today, my colleagues on the Federal Open Market Committee and I reaffirmed our commitment to support the economy in this challenging time.
The second wave of the outbreak continues to batter Europe. Greece has reported record-high daily cases and deaths, while Denmark is said to impose tougher lockdown measures after discovering a mutated coronavirus strand in the country's northern parts. In Spain, the healthcare system is acutely strained as it becomes the fourth European country to surpass the 38,000 death toll. Matters in Belgium and Poland are no different, with hospitals set to run out of ICU beds really soon as cases spike.
It's not that the hospital do not want to take patients. They have nowhere to put them. They do not have beds at ward. A patient suspected of having been infected could be isolated from those who have not been infected.
Over in Asia, India has registered 670 deaths overnight, increasing the tally to nearly 125,000, with more than 8.4 million cases. Meanwhile, China has barred entry of non-Chinese travelers from Britain, France, Belgium, the Philippines, and India.